How to fix Google Play services not working on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and in today's video, I'll show you on how to fix Google Play services not working on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's get started. First, restart your device. Press and hold the power button on your device and swipe towards restart button to reboot your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix minor software glitches. Next, if restarting doesn't work, make sure your Google Play services is up to date. For that, open Settings on your phone. Look for Apps and then select App Management from the section. Tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in Google Play Services. Open its App Info section. Tap on the storage uses and clear all the cache of it by tapping on Clear Cache button. If there is any update available, you can easily update and install it to the latest version. The next step, if this doesn't work, is simply perform a factory reset. You can simply go ahead and open Settings and then tap the search bar and then type in factory reset or simply reset option. You need to make sure that before performing a factory reset, you simply need to back up all the data. So tap on erase all data and tap erase all data and enter the lock screen password and tap on erase data and then perform a factory reset. By following this step, your issue with Google Play services should be resolved. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.